and you're watching me on Math Solution. Today I'm going to talking about rationalization. You see, uh, these kind of questions which I'm talking about you today, that will come in sometimes in MCQ, sometimes in some different kind of questions. You can say a very small one word answer or two word answers, or giving you have to give yourself in a simplification form. These all are things that comes in it. Okay, so remember this, it's a very basic topic but having a very much advanced information about it. So when you go for any university, these also topics come because they make you to understand that it will come after the after topic in our topic. I'll talk you about in this video today, but you have to wait for it. So first we are going to start about the rationalization process, or that will be called conjugate. Here in my language, or in my where I studied, that is called conjugate. But if you wanted to understand that in a bookish language, that is a rationalization process. Okay, so moving on it, what we're gonna do, we just use these. You can see root 76 here and is dividing by root 76. What we're gonna do, we just wanted to make this in a simplify form. Okay, so question will come here, evaluate or simplify. You have to make sure it what it is or not. Okay, so how can you make it simplify? This is the thing, in a minute or in a second, whatever it is, or 30 seconds, that will be a required time for you. So what you're gonna do, you can see that there's a root up on it, that is called numerator. There's a down here, that's called denominator. Make it 1 to simplify your inside value. So what is, you can see 76 that can be cancelled out by in a same table. So what will come in, 1 will come and the root of 1 will be 1. Simple as that. Okay, now these kind of questions are definitely used many ways. Okay, but for that, now today I'm just making you you can say example questions. These all are example questions. One of it is you can have 18 upon root of 18, that is 18 upon root of 18. So this is like that. What I'm going to do, I'm just making a rationalization process here. Okay, or what is it, what you have in denominator, you can multiply with that and divide with that. Simple as that. So numerator will gonna be multiply with the numerator, and denominator will gonna be multiply with denominator, and both will come like this. Okay, the both are in root, so make it 1. So it's gonna be easy. Whatever the number are in it, just put it inside exactly as it what you can see there. These cannot be simplified, because one number is in 18 here, and second you have gotten root. So make sure that just leave it just like what it is. You can see here there's a 18 and 18, the both are in pair form, and you have got simple roots. You can take out 18 exactly like this. Okay, cancel them, you will got root of 18. This is called rationalization process. Sometimes you have to do this way. Okay, other than you have to solve by yourself. Okay, clear? That's called rationalization or conjugate process. And the question I have here for you, that is 2 root 28 dividing by root of 7. What you're gonna do, just LCM that. The LCM is simple, 7 into 4. I just break 4 into 2 into 2. Okay, 7 4s are 28. Simple as that. So what I did, 4, the LCM of the 4 is 2 into 2. Clear? The pair it will making, it will come out from the root. 7 will remain same because there is not pair. Root of 7 or root of 7 will gonna be cancelled. Whatever the outside the value 2 will multiply by the pair of that 2 which is come out from it, that will become 4. Simple answer it is. Sahi? Now this is another question what we have. I call that picking common. Okay, you have to take out the common, and then you can add or subtract depending upon the questions. I've got here 3 root 5 plus 8 root 5. What I'm gonna do, you can see here root of 5 is here with the 3 and with the 8 as well as. Just pick it up, both of them, and take out the common. Whatever the numbers are remaining, just put it in the bracket like 3 and 8. Both add them, whatever the value will come, stick with the root 5, that will be your answer. So you can see that 5 root 8 minus 2 root 8. Just pick these two these root 8 one time as a common, take it out that, and whatever the numbers are remaining with the sign, just put it in the bracket like you have. If you take it out, this root of 8 and root of 8 here, the 5 and 2 will remain same. Okay, so just put it in the bracket, minus them or subtract them, the answer will come like this. Okay, so remember that these all are the I mean, you can say arithmetic way, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just picking out the commons. I'm just letting you know how to pick out the commons in the questions. Okay, so friends, this is another topic including with that, but having a different formation of it. Okay, the topic name is radicand and index. Remember it, radicand and index. Mostly use that in your MCQs questions regarding your high school level, or we're going for any college level, or you can say when you're going to for universities, they take the aptitude test and they use that methods. They ask you whether you know about that or not. It could be required 1 mark for it. Remember, it is very important topic for that. I have got a you have to just let them know what this or this thing or this thing, what do you call that. They have got the basic names given there. You have to circle them, or maybe they tick them, whatever they are requiring for it. That is, the question is root. There's a root, and on the root you have got 4, power of the 4, and that is 35. So just asking you what is called radicand, what is called index. Maybe one of them they can ask about it. Okay, so inside the root, whatever the number is, that is called radicand, and outside the power, which you can see that is index. Similarly, you can see here like that, root of 5. Getting root, we have got a 5 power. Inside we have got x, y, z upon t, all of it called one number or a one alphabet, or in a one way. Okay, the all the things called radicand, and whatever the outside the root is 5, it's called index. Okay, very simple. That you have to understand or remember it after watching my videos. You remember that whatever the video I'm gonna share with you, if they are the past one, if they are coming in present, whatever you are watching, do watch them again and again for more practice. You don't have to go for hand practice like these things on as I'm letting you know. You have to just listen the videos and watch the things. You will definitely do that by yourself with the new question. You can try it on the new questions with these tricks and these things. I have got one of the question here remaining with that, but first of all, you should know what kind of question it is. I call them power breaking system on roots. Okay, on roots we are using power breaking system. Okay, how can I make my number simplify easy, or till I cannot do this more. Okay, and I want my root out of that number. I want to simplify number here, so it could become like the evaluate or simplify, or is that it's like that. You have got a root of 3 on the 27. So remember that 27 is a cube root of 3. When you're gonna multiply 3 with the 3 with the 3, you can see here 3 with the 3 with the 3, that is called cube, and on it you can see that's called root cube. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you multiply them, 3 3 9 9 3 27, easy. So what you're gonna do, you have to break with that number who's having the same number coming with the 3 times. That's the way you can take out the number of from the root of the cube of it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you can see here, make, if you have got 3 numbers given, you make the power of the 3 and make it in a bracket. Simple as that, and just cancel with the power with the root. Simply number will be gonna out from that root, it's gonna be easy, that simplified form. Similarly, you have got root of 4, 625. Only the number 5 will multiply by 4 times, that will come 625. Simple is that. 5 5 25, 25 5 the 125, 125 5 the 625. Simple is that. And root of 4, so you can write like this. If the 5 or a number which will be in the multiplication form like 4 times, you can use like this power of it, make it that. Getting numbers multiplying, may add the power, just simple as that, and cut the power with the root and simplify form, the 5 will come out that. Okay, simple. Roots exclude power fraction form. Remember and watch this. What is the meaning of it? Roots gonna be exclude and make the power in a fraction form. That is the meaning of it. When if you wanted to make another kind of process using for this, if you like this process, that is also okay. If you want to go for another one, simple, the way we follow it's exactly same, but the root what you have, if you want to remove the root, you have to make your power in a fraction form. This is it. Okay, remember that. And inside the value, whatever it is, that will be remain same. If you want to escape this root, you have to switch your power on a fraction form, and you see power over power gonna be multiplied like this. The power is 8 on a, 8 on B, same power you have, take it out common like that. Simple numbers will, alphabet will come inside of the bracket. Power will multiply by the power, both power are gonna be cancelled because both are the same. Simple A and B will remain same, they both are multiplying. Similarly you have got like this. Okay, this power is outside the, you can see curly round bracket, but whatever inside mn root p, remember. Okay, what you have to do, if you want to remove this root, you have to use this power on a fraction form. That's the way you can exclude the root, and whatever the power remaining on it, that is power on power. I just cancel it right now because you've seen that everything, you know how to do that. Whatever the number or alphabet remain, that will same here like that. You can see another question like this, root of cube on 125 and 81. Remember that if you're gonna take out the LCM of 81, that will go 3 table of the 3 with the 4 times you cancel that, at least common multiple will come like 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 4 times it will come. What I have to do, I have to make some kind of numbers with the cube kind of thing, number having a power of the cube kind of thing, it will come, that will be cross out. If it's not coming, so you cannot go further for it, but I have to make like that so you can understand it. On 125, the LCM of 125 is 5 cube, that will be cancelled out, the single 5 will remains. Same here. 81, you can see here I can do this LCM on 81 like this. 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, and 3 1 is 3. What I did, I just take 3 3, okay, in a cube form, and 1 3 I just remain like this. So I can, you know, I can break my root on this number and this number as well as. So you can see here root of cube 3 and root of cube like this. You both can cancel these powers with the root. You have got only some single 3 will remain here, and the 5 which you have seen that just I took out, and root of cube 3 will remain like this. Okay, this is all for that today. Just give me, I want to go now. I will come out with another different questions and different topics for you. What you have to do, just stick around with my videos, watch them, subscribe my channel, like them, and share with your friends. Okay, say goodbye to you from the Math Solution. Khuda Hafiz.